left and they want to win all of them and get 16 points. And they're playing like this is a team that's going to win all 8 games remaining. The puck is now in the neutral zone. Niederreiter will settle it down to Hakanpää. Letting Hakanpää stretch pass, deflected into the Stars' end by Foegele. Khudobin can't play it. Klingberg overplays it. Foegele sends one out in front. It's deflected back.
Yeah, the Panthers and Lightning clinched playoff berth. Hurricanes clinched last night. Niederreiter.
Jordan Staal's huge night continues. Tripper Thomas with another prediction, and the Canes go up 5-1.
Yeah, Nino, he's been deadly against Dallas this year. Jordan Staal, the runaway first star. Lindell's a big man, so to win that battle before he can even find Nino, stopping and starting, hockey sense. He didn't look to Nino, but he still knew he was there. What a pass! Not sure if Jordan's going to Foegele or Niederreiter, and Niederreiter is able to elevate the puck. What a goal.
18th of the season for Nino Niederreiter.
I told him today that I was going with him, and I needed him to get one for me. I did tell him, and he said, thank you, brother. And I said, well, find the upper half of the net, will you?
Andrianov, he can't find the back of the net because Nedeljkovic is in the way. Big save for Nedeljkovic, and tomorrow night, MLB action, the Atlanta Braves homestand continues. Catch the Braves taking on the Chicago Cubs. Coverage begins at 6:30 Eastern on Bally Sports Cell. There's Nino Niederreiter. Not a Swiss missile from Niederreiter, but a big goal, his 18th of the season.
That was one of your finest calls, and that was a huge goal. To tie the game late in regulation in January. Trocheck, I believe, eventually won it in a shootout. Puck was end over end, and he only shot it because he was willing to take the chance down a goal. And what a Swiss missile, as you called it on the fly, that was.
Now Pesce at the top of the rings, his shot is wide. Svechnikov was looking for a deflection, wasn't there. Bean tries a chance, but that'll be into the large body of Jamie Alexiak. He starts his way into the Canes end, flips one towards Nedeljkovic, too wide. Gurianov, sharp angle. Nedeljkovic holds the post. Puck is still loose behind the net, comes through the blue paint. It'll be settled down by Pesce.
Well, for the Stars, at least he can rest assured that the Bears lost their game.
Up 5-1 over the Stars, and the Canes looking to just have a ridiculous 6-1-1.
Because you know it's going to battle go down to the battle between the Stars and the Preds for that fourth and final spot in the Central.
Nedeljkovic plays it behind his net to McCormick. McCormick off the boards to center ice. Sekera takes a bump from Geekie. That'll get the puck to McCormick, and the Canes will.
Blackhawks are not mathematically eliminated, but their chance is pretty much gone. The Blue Jackets and the Red Wings are eliminated.
Mike, if you had your full complement of good health coming into this 6-game road trip against 3 excellent teams, I thought coming in 7 points would be a great road trip. Hurricanes can finish this off 9 out of a possible 12 points. Let that, season that, marinate that for a bit.
I don't even have to marinate. That's a quick flavor injector.
Yeah, marinate that in like a T-bone steak.
I'm with you. I think anytime you go on the road, if you can get half of the points that are available, that's a great road trip.
Yeah.
Faster in trip. There's a little bit more spice for your marinade. It's against, besides the Carolina Hurricanes, you can argue, the 3 best teams in the division besides Carolina.
No, that's what I said. If you get 7 points with your full complement, which you only have...
Braves won 5-0.
I'd take that and run for the hills in sprinting fashion.
Again,
you have a chance to get 9 points. 3-0-3.
Canes are 5 minutes and 50 seconds away from that. Something else that was lost tonight. Speaking of the Canes getting healthy, Teuvo Teravainen has returned to the lineup. First time in 25 games. Last time Teravainen had played was on March 4th as the puck goes out of play. With 5:38 to go, Carolina playing like a team that needed 2 points to end this road trip strong. And they've gotten 2 goals from their captain. Max McCormick scored in 2 straight nights, and the Canes up 5-1.
Walter, did you